Here is a wonderful 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. With less than 250,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's an Avalanche that delivers the security and comfort of a full-size SUV and the practicality of a pickup. Smooth, quiet, rugged, and thoughtfully designed to be as pleasant to drive as it is useful. This versatility vehicle was designed with your lifestyle in mind. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, locking limited slip differential, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel comfortable and prepared in this versatile Avalanche. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.